Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to sign up for a Venmo account. First, you want to go and download the application from App Store or Play Store, wherever you have an Android or an iOS. Then you want to open it like so, and here you will have to choose between personal use or business use. Then click on sign up. I will use personal use. Then you should add your phone number in order to send you a code, a verification code, and this is a very necessary step in order to verify your phone number. After that, enter the OTP, then hit the submit. Then you have to add the profile picture of yours and the legal first name, legal last name, username, email, password. Then you should scroll down a little bit till you find here this box. Just check it, then click on next. And now you will have to read all the terms and conditions. After you read them, click on agree. Then here you have this step isn't necessary. You can sync phone contacts or skip for now. I'm simply going to click on skip for now. Then you have this settings, the payment settings. You have here three options: public, friends, and private. You can set it to public, and in this case, all people that are using Venmo can see your payments. And for the friends, only the friends, and for the private, no one can actually see any one of your payments. So after you choose it, click on done on the top right side, and here you are. You can now access the application, and here you have four options. As you can see, find people to pay, add a way to pay, enter your promo code, and get the Venmo debit card. And here down below in the bottom left side, you have here the scan QR code, so you can actually use it in order to pay someone or get paid. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.